Hi, my name is America, and today I'll be talking about my thesis, the reason, and the evidence that I'm getting for it. Mental health is a touchy subject that not many people talk about. It feels like it is a forbidden topic. Mental health is something that many people deal with and at times do not know how to deal with. With that being said, how does reading help people with mental health challenges? This question is worthy of serious attention because not many people know what can help someone during this difficult time. It is good to have various sources and techniques when someone is in this state of mind. People deal with mental health in many different ways. I did not know reading helps people with mental health challenges. After doing some research, I can see why it helps people, but it's not for everybody. If you're a person that enjoys reading, this technique can be for you. You feel relaxed and focused on something that is not a part of your life. For others, this may be easy because not everyone enjoys reading or reads well. Reading might cause more stress because they're too focused on getting the words right or they're concentrating on the storyline. Even if reading is essential, it might not solve everyone's problem, but instead cause more problems and stress. But with doing research, I believe some books help with mental health and are not so stressful on the brain. The reason for my thesis is so that the audience can have a better understanding of what they are about to read. Some evidence I will be using is coming from research and personal experience. Since this pandemic started, I believe that it has messed with everyone's mental health in one way or another. There was a point where I started reading books just so my mind can go to a different world. If there are any questions or opinions, please let me know, and I'll love any type of feedback.